Hi friends, it's Shayna and I'm back, and today I have a unboxing for you from FASHIONPHILE. So if you want to see what I got not only for Christmas, for myself and for my mom, then you should stay tuned. All right, friends, let's get into it. So I'm really excited. You know, I've been trying to get really nice jewelry pieces, and I've been really focusing on Tiffany's. And so my mom was so generous and got me my first Tiffany's bracelet. If you can see it, it's here. It matches my necklace. She also got me a similar necklace to this. I changed out this chain before. You remember, it was like a thin chain and then the emblem. So really appreciate her and building my collection. My family is super generous to me and I thank them for that. But I did buy something for myself. And I got it from FASHIONPHILE. And so I think I told you guys that I was planning to get something from FASHIONPHILE. I know it's been a while and I haven't bought a lot. So it's really cool when you open this up. I have not opened this. I was waiting for you all. So in here, it has my receipt. And there's a thank you in there as well. So that's super cute. I think this is my first piece from FASHIONPHILE. They also sent me a calendar. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but it's beautiful bags in it. Oh, Hermes and Loewe. So, very nice. So let's get into it. They also send you a file. So that's pretty cool with FASHIONPHILE on it. So here it is. What I think is super funny and cute. It says, "Use is the new." So yeah, I'll take it. So I really one day want a Chanel, but I'll probably, if I get one, it most likely will be from FASHIONPHILE or something like that. So it came in that wrapping, comes in a FASHIONPHILE dust bag, which is pretty cool. Much appreciated. Definitely, you guys might hear Santana. He's getting excited about something. Could be the opening of this bag. And so this is my, nope, it was a neighbor leaving. This is my very first, and my sister's probably hoping I don't love it. It is actually new. It is a Burberry bum bag. It's in the Econyl nylon. It comes with this from Certified Authenticity from FASHIONPHILE. You guys can maybe see that. And so, you know, I got a card holder. So there's a back zip. It still has the stickers on it, which is pretty awesome. And has a back zip. And obviously the front zip compartment. What I like is it is new. I'm gonna have to figure this all out, but it still has the tag on it. And it retailed, I think it was like $700, but that's not what I paid. So there you go. It also comes with the original Burberry dust bag, which you guys know is in the line green these days. So that is pretty amazing and exciting. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the FASHIONPHILE one, but cool. And then it has this large front compartment. You can see the Burberry in the back. It actually looks like there's a little pocket in the back. You guys see an interior pocket. And with that came, it's the cloud gray. And then a little booklet came with it, as it typically does with Burberry. So this is really exciting. I wasn't really into the trend, but I went hiking with a friend and he was just like, you don't have something little that you could just throw around? And I know my sister and my nieces swear by theirs. So I thought, well, the Louis Vuitton one is a little pricey, but I will. And what I like is it has like the little Burberry iconic stripe right there. So that's super cute. But I guess I could wear it like this. I've seen ladies wear it like this. I think it's most popular, people wearing it like this. So I'll have to adjust it a little bit more so it hits lower. But seen people wear it like that. I'll adjust it more so it doesn't hit this way. But I think this will be great when I'm traveling. So all of my travel stuff is black and white and gray. And so this will be perfect when I'm traveling, and then I can bring an extra bag with me in my luggage, but for like nicer things. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. We'll see how this goes. I will let you all know how, what it's like for me. And let's try this one more time. Yeah, that's perfect, right? That hits lower, that's perfect. You could hit it. I see a lot of ladies in Denver hitting it like that. Yeah, so I told my sister, if I don't like it, you can have it. But we'll see how this goes. Yeah, and I'll put the name of it. So if you like what you heard and what you saw, I hope that you comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you back soon.